Marlin, I have question.
هيا.
My real name.
It is Gail.
What is my daddy's name?
Gail.
What is my awo's name?
And Gail.
What is my mother's name?
And you can call her Gail Nak.
I don't like this.
Wait. You think you are Bini Adan?
Well,
You will always be Gail. مسكح ذا قلي أنا كقفل.
hello.
وريا وأدر عيسو قول دي وريب.
Maya, tell him I am not here.
There, Wakan, he's here. He's very happy. He took $20,000 Ayuto yesterday.
يقولي.
This is Elvis Presley.
وريا قولت وركاس أي كينن. ألفيس بريسلي روك أند رول أبيه العيار جري. مرورو أنت وثق يو إلى هذا.
هيا أبو.
waxaan rabaa $10 inaad ii soo xawishid berito.
هيا أبو وبدن يهي.
war badankaa ma aqaana ii soo xawil lacagta.
هيا ماق.
war waa kuu sheegay waxaan doonayaa $10 si degdeg ah ii soo xawishid ilaa berito.
أوكي أبو. Gail كان نعي.
I told you to buy a cell phone. دمع كثير يموت في الطريق.
والله النفتاد إيقا قادي. I am dead now وإدشي. علوشا إي وريغوسو. I need the bathroom.
Oh, a dead person going to the bathroom, huh?
ولا شا دمتي.
Hello.
Hi, I'm calling from the Canadian Immigration Office. May I speak with Gulade, please?
He is died. Naftan Qadi.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yes, his life finished.
Oh, sorry to hear that.
No problem.
Okay, thanks for letting me know. We'll have to cancel his application.
I was waiting for a phone call from the immigration.
Yes, I told them Naftan Qadi.
What do you mean?
I told them you are dead.
إنا لله وإنا إليه راجعون. وريا, this was my Canadian citizenship.
Well, you're the one told me Naftad Qadi.
أذي إلهي النفتها كاقاضو. وسقيا وجيك فوش دير.